What do you think happens after death? How many of you have experienced death? Let me tell you. Physically, you would say nobody. But mentally, most of us are dead people. When we are dead, we have no senses working. We have no mercy for people. We don't love people. We don't speak for people. We don't speak for right. We don't speak for justice. But we just speak for ourselves. That is what happened after the death, ladies and gentlemen. I was watching one of the gurus who spoke about death because he was asked a similar question. He said, no one knows about the hell and heaven, but we make our life hell out of thinking all this process. We don't just enjoy our life, what we are blessed with. Every single minute, every single second, people are dying. People are being deprived, but we don't compare ourselves with them. But we compare with people who have a lot of money, a lot of gold, a lot of Ferraris. We make our life hell while comparing with them. This is what happens when we are dead. That does not mean you are burnt or you are buried. That means our mind is not accepting what is right. To me, I always speak on social media, tell people they are literally dead people because we have no courage to speak for the people who need justice, people who are right, but we speak for things which are in our favor. That's it. We are biased. We are heartless, emotionless souls. Actually, most of us are dead. When we are dead, we look like us. Ladies and gentlemen, after death, we become what we are right now. Over to you, sir.